Best cocktails women can order at a bar. Ladies, are you ready to dance the night away and have some drinks to enjoy? For sure you'll have a blast and have quality moments with your best teas with these best cocktails you can order at the bar. Most bars offer a variety of drinks with various flavors and aroma, so it's no wonder that you might have a hard time ordering something that you will enjoy. Fret not, keep watching because we have excellent recommendations for the best cocktails that women can enjoy. Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan, or also known as Cosmo, is a popular drink for women. This cocktail is placed in a martini glass and contains premium vodka mixed with cranberry juice. It was believed to have gained recognition in posh parties of South Beach, Florida, and when it was mentioned in the series Sex and the City. Margarita. Another drink you should not forget to order is the good old margarita. With a mix of quality tequila, triple sec liqueur, and some freshly squeezed lime juice, you'll surely love its taste. Margarita is best served in a cocktail glass with ice cubes and salt around the rim. Mojito. Mojito is a popular drink in tropical countries and present in beach parties or exotic resorts. It is prepared by mixing rum with sugarcane juice and some soda. There are a couple of reasons why mojito is the perfect drink for women. Mojito goes down smoothly. Most women find this cocktail easier to consume than other alcoholic beverages. Its alcohol effect is not as fast as other drinks, allowing you to spend more time with your friends without being tipsy. Less risk of staining your dress. Well, let's admit it, there might be instances of spilling some drinks when you're at the bar. So, don't let stains ruin your beautiful dress and enjoy a glass of this almost colorless drink. Strawberry daiquiri. Who's up for fruity goodness? Strawberry daiquiri is a classic cocktail for ladies and men alike. You can enjoy it either frozen for a smoothie-like texture or shaken with fresh strawberries on top. It's composed of refreshing ingredients such as rum, lime, and fresh fruit. There are also other daiquiri flavors you can try. Banana daiquiri. This daiquiri is blended with ripe banana, dark rum, and fresh lime. It tastes a little sweeter compared to a strawberry daiquiri. Hemingway daiquiri. It is made from grape juices instead of fresh strawberry mixed with fresh lime and maraschino liqueur. Sex on the beach. Another favorite drink at parties is sex on the beach. But hold up, contrary to its provocative name, sex on the beach is a smooth, fruity cocktail. It's prepared by mixing vodka, orange juice, peach schnapps, and cranberry juice for that tropical flavor. Sangria. Sangria is a popular ladies' drink from Spain and Portugal. It's a refreshing beverage made from chopped fruits, brandy, and red or white wine. If you love to experiment, you can add some fruits like pineapples, strawberries, or apples. Pina colada. Pina colada is a tropical cocktail made with cream of coconut, rum, and pineapple juice. This drink is not only delicious, but it's also stunning since it is served with decorations such as umbrellas and cherries. Mai Tai. This classic drink comprises rum, lime juice, orgeat syrup, and orange liquor. It's also a well-known beverage in tiki-themed restaurants and parties. There you have it, the best drinks women can order at a bar. Because these cocktails are refreshing without too much alcohol, they are highly favored by some women. But you can still order anything you want. So whether you feel a little under the weather or just like to hang out with your friends, these drinks are good companions to enjoy a night out. Did you like these drinks? We still have more to share with you, so like this video and subscribe to Advanced Mixology for more delicious cocktails. Also, hit the notification bell button so you can stay updated with our upcoming videos.